Guys, and welcome to Love Yourself. Guys, today's video, I know you wouldn't be able to see my face because I want to show you how to make a concoction for coughing and just for cold and all that. When you are not feeling good, you are coughing, or you're feeling that that bad feeling in your throat, like it's so, or something like that. You just put warm water inside the pot or whatever you have, and then the next thing you have is this ginger tea bags. Normally I find tea bags to be easy to keep for a long time, so that's why I buy like this is energy. It doesn't have to be a specific brand for me, so you can put as much as you want. I don't like keeping it for long, because sometimes when you keep such tea bags for long, they become too strong, or I don't like them anyway when they are not so fresh. For me, I like drinking something that is fresh, and if it works directly. So that was ginger. This is ginger tea. I don't know if you guys are able to see it properly, because I'm sure if I put my camera properly for you guys to see, I'm sure now you can see. So this is 1 cup, like 1 glass of water, ginger tea. And what I have right here in my hands, it's black paper powder. So you just measure as much as you want. You can use a tablespoon or half a tablespoon. So not fill it actually, or just 1 teaspoon is the best, I can say. So, and then you mix it together like that. And then if you're someone who likes, or I don't know, whichever sugar you like, I like putting brown sugar instead of honey sometimes, but sometimes I put it with honey. So today I will use brown sugar, because I drink only brown sugar for whatever reason that I will explain to you in my next video. So you put maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you like it, sweet or like normal. And then my next ingredient is lemon. You just put some lemon water in it, depending on how much also you like lemon, because some people don't really like lemon that much. Or you can use even lime, it's okay. It does the same work, brings the same results for me anyway. So if you want, or if you like, you can also mix it with honey. It doesn't matter that you have added already some brown sugar like I already did. You can add your honey. So yes, so here we have honey. You can just add a little bit of it here, or first you can put it, but normally guys, I will advise you, honey, you don't need to warm it to heat it up. You just need to just mix it, and then you remove your concoction, and you are done. Like, it's just to melt it. You don't have to cook honey, because honey is not meant to be cooked, right? Because it loses its value by cooking, by being boiled and all that. So yeah, then this is how it is. If you're someone who likes topping stuff up, you can always add some cinnamon. Like, I like something that smells so good, but already with ginger, this smells so good, you can't even believe it, guys. So I'm removing the tea bag because it has already strained. So this is how I do it, and this is my cinnamon, guys. I'll just put half of tablespoon. Oh, so this is how it goes. Sorry, I just cursed, but I know you guys didn't hear me properly. Just act like you didn't hear what I said. So yes, this is how it goes, guys. Excuse me. Yeah, so So this is my concoction when I'm not feeling well, especially when I feel the cold coming. This helps me to get myself warm and get rid of cold before it attacks me, you know, on a serious level. This is how it goes. So when I'm done, I just take this glass or a proper normal. Here we are. It's meant for soup, but you can always drink tea with it. So this is how it goes. Boom. And you have your concoction. It was even more than enough. So here it is, guys. Just so you see it. This is how it looks. And it will simple get rid of that cough or that cold that was trying to attack you, or that was already like getting to make you feel so like feverish sometimes, or somehow not comfortable. I know that uncomfortable feeling that takes place before you cough or before you get like running nose and stuff like that. This can help you. You can top this up, guys, with this kind of